Okay, so my client had a whole bunch of Rimu joists from the house that they're having renovated, and she wanted some vanity tops made out of it. So this is the process. First, because I'm going to be veneering this old joist, I need to flatten it as best I could. So I'm just using this kind of technique to flatten things that are wider than your jointer. Now I could tell I was going to have some problems with the bandsaw right from the start. I needed to get the job done, or I thought I did, but my bandsaw blade was really not the sharpest. Anyway, I carried on and it worked. Alright, so I didn't get the yield I wanted to from that stick. Had a couple of pretty major issues with the bandsaw. Anyway, so I've got 3 full length veneers, so I can use 2 of them for the main top, and then I've got a couple of bits and pieces of scrap. So the other shells don't matter so much about what they look like because they're going to be hidden away, but anyway, I need to mill up these last 2 bits of Rimu I have. I've just put them through the jointer, so I'll put them through the thicknesser and then try and rip these ones down on the bandsaw as well and hopefully have more luck. Anyway, with all that done, I could get onto sanding all the veneers down to a reasonable thickness. I think it ended up being about 4mm. Now I'm putting the veneers over a torsion box, and it just so happens that I had the worst plywood you could ever think of to do it with, but I made it work. So the top and bottom of the torsion box is 12mm ply, and then all the ribs will be 25mm ply that I had kicking about in the workshop. Now these 2 vanity tops are going to be sliding onto a steel frame sticking out of the wall, and to really show off that floating feature, and I'll show you some pictures of those a bit later on. My point here is that I have to allow some slots for the shelves to actually slide onto those steel brackets. With the torsion boxes trimmed to size, I can lay out the veneers and tape them together. And then I could get onto the glue up. I'm going to be pressing the 2 shelves onto each other onto my table, which is also a torsion box, and I'll be doing one side of the vanity tops at a time. That's the first side all glued up and ready for the second side, so I can do the same thing, trim the veneers, tape them together, and glue on the panels. needs to be. Yeah, you can see right above the other one. The pressure looks good there. That's pretty good where it is. You probably want to go over a bit, yeah. With the main faces pressed, I needed to add an end cap onto the left-hand end of both shelves and then also a front panel. The next step after this is clear coating, and for some reason that footage has disappeared, but you can imagine what it looks like to put clear coat on a piece of wood. Okay, so about 4 months prior to this, I had gone to site and installed those steel brackets, and now that the house is ready, I can get the LED strips sorted on the bottom of the bottom shelf. It's pretty self-explanatory. This was really the big sweat moment to see if the slots were in the right place relative to where the tiles were and everything else that I had to allow for, and it was. So I could mark the locations of the steel and drill up through the timber and into the steel. Next I added a tap into my drill and slowly tapped those holes. And I had some small amount of control of leveling up the shelves by screwing them in and out at different rates and adding a packer if I needed to. I added some black silicone around their back, and that was all she wrote. Well, I am certainly glad that is over. That was a particularly long job from start to finish, somewhere in the region of 5 months, and I'm glad everything fitted. I was pretty nervous that it wasn't going to go, so I'm happy. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you on the next one.